Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing and showcasing the AI Translator from Langogo. You can find this on Amazon and it can do 90 plus languages. It has 24 different engines to do languages with. So that's pretty amazing. It's a small device. It's only a few ounces. We'll show you the back here and then we'll turn it on. It's also a global Wi-Fi hotspot. Comes with a lanyard and a USB-C charging cable to USB-A. There's the USB-C charging port right there. Now this is booting up and we'll show you a couple of screens and how this works. So right now it's connecting with an eSIM, but you can also put a standard SIM on the side. This is the translate button, or you can have it do it in a conversational type manner. So here's the main screen. You can translate. And what I have is set up Chinese and English right now. As you can see up here, it's connected to 4G, so you get data to do the translation for about a year. And then after that you can do it over Wi-Fi. So you can change the different languages here. I have it on Mandarin Chinese because I'm going to China and I'll be checking this out there. So basically you hold down the button and ask, where is the bus stop? So then it speaks it in the language that you asked for. Or you could say, when is the next stop? See, and it's very quick and it shows you if what it picked up is correct, so you know that you can tell the person, no, it's not translating correctly, or it is. But it's very quick and it can work in a bunch of different countries. And the screen is pretty good. It's quite easy to work with. Show you a couple other languages here. There's quite a bit. So I can actually take a look at the back of this. Take a look at this, pause it when you need to, find out other information. There's multiple different microphones on here, so you can get very good quality of audio even in a busy spot. So this interpreter mode, basically it has both sides, and it will show the person in their language with the text what you're saying and vice versa. So that's pretty easy. And then if you want to set it up for Hotspot, you can do that as well. And they have different plans for Hotspot. But here's the system menu. It's pretty easy. I already did an online system update, so the whole unit is up to date. This will also run off of Wi-Fi if you don't want to use the cloud SIM technology. So this is the global hotspot window. It's loading up all the different plans. So here's in Asia. You just tap if you're in Asia, and here's the different pricing right now. This pricing changes, but it's pretty inexpensive for what you get. So this is the Langogo AI Translator and Global Wi-Fi Hotspot. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.